Look who I came across. My friend. Right? Tell him. Yo. Tell him something. Say something. No. The baby's over there. Baby. Louise. John Wayne. John Wayne and Louise. Hey, you hungry? Somebody get you right there. You want to see the camera? Oh no. Oh no. Hey, the familia. Everybody coming through. Hey. Look, this is the one that get really close to me. Yes, I got you right now. Give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Here you go. For the babies, look. The baby. Ah, you gonna give them the piece. You so nice. I'll give you another piece. Here you go. Give them to the baby. Look, you gonna give it to the baby because they don't trust me like that for you? They will trust me? Here you go. The family. Let me pause this stuff that I'm listening to. I don't want to get you guys bored with the stuff that I listen to. Hey baby, look at the baby so big. Already, here you go, my friend. Here you go. Got the food for you, my guys. Look at this Nusi guy. Where he coming from? I just finished feeding y'all all the way over there. I gave y'all a lot of food. More food? There you go. I got you. It's a little hard for me there. Here you go. Big piece of bread. Just cut it up. Yep, there you go. Look. I got some corn too. You want some corn? Look. No. Just the corn. Look corn. Look corn. Yeah, look corn. Yeah, corn. Corn.